Jade. So today I'm going to go over some top tax deductions for your small business in the spirit of tax season. So to start, auto expenses. If you use your car for business or your business owns a vehicle, you can deduct some of the costs of keeping it on the road. There are two methods for this, and there's an actual expense method where you actually keep track and deduct all of your actual business related expenses when it comes to your vehicle. Or there's the standard mileage rate method, and there's a certain amount that the IRS sets that you can deduct for each mile driven, plus tolls and parking fees, all business related. And if your business is, or if your car is used for both business and pleasure, which that's a lot of us, only the business portion is available for a tax deduction. And so that means you must keep track of how often you use your vehicle for business versus pleasure. And there's apps like through QuickBooks where it'll automatically track your miles for you and you can categorize those. So it makes it a little bit easy with technology to do that. Your expenses for going into business. So once you're running your business, expenses such as advertising and utilities and office supplies, etc. Those you can deduct as current office and business expenses, of course, but that's not until you open your doors. So the cost of getting a business started, those can be capital expenses, and you can deduct $5,000 in the first year you're in business. And then the remainder can be deducted in equal amounts over 15 years. So that's something to keep in mind if you're starting a business. You can also deduct your books and legal and professional fees. So business books, including those that help you to do those, and legal and tax professionals, such as myself, we are fully tax deductible as a cost for your business. So you can keep that in mind. Fees to pay your lawyers, your tax professionals, your CPAs, your consultants, all can be deducted in the year incurred. Next is insurance. You can deduct premiums for insurance you pay. Anything for your business. So that's, medical insurance for your employees, fire, theft, and flood insurance for your business property, liability insurance, professional malpractice insurance, workers' compensation insurance, all of that, all those premiums, those can be deducted. Keep that in mind. Travel, I think a lot of us know this. If you travel for business, you can deduct any expenses, including the plane fare, the costs of your taxis there, or Lyfts or Ubers, lodging, meals, shipping business materials there, cleaning your clothes, telephone calls, tips, all of that. What if you're combining business and pleasure on your travel? That's okay, as long as business is the trip's primary purpose. Interest. If you use a credit card to finance some of your business purchases, the interest and carrying charges are fully tax deductible. Charitable contributions. If your business is a partnership, LLC, or S Corp, you can make a charitable contribution and pass that through to you on your individual return. If you're a C Corp, the corporation can deduct charitable contributions. Education expenses, you can deduct education expenses if they're related to your current business, trade, or occupation. The expense must be to maintain or improve skills required in your present business. You can deduct advertising and promotional costs. So ordinary advertising for your cost of goods or services, that's your website, your business cards, Google, AdWords, and so on, all deductible. Promotional costs that create goodwill for your business, for example, such as sponsoring your kids' softball league or something. That is also deductible as long as there's a clear connection between the sponsorship and your business. This is something newer, pass-through tax deduction. So tax deduction for individuals who earn income on pass-through businesses, your partnerships, your LLCs, your S Corps. You can actually deduct up to 20% of your net income on each pass-through business that you own. And this is in addition to all your other business deductions. And this is, personal pass-through owners on your returns, whether or not you itemize. And it's scheduled to last from 2018 to 2025 currently. And it's limited though to people who provide personal services. And this includes health, law, accounting, performing arts, consulting, athletic, financial services, brokerage services, or any business where the principal asset is the reputation or skill of one or more of its owners. And there's unfortunately an exception for architects and engineers. So you're entitled to this 20% pass-through deduction. And there's a cap on the income you earn, whether you can take that or not, whether you file single, married, or joint. And for more specifics on that, please reach out to me. And then just some other ones that are kind of routine deductions that sometimes business owners miss. That's bank service charges, business association dues if you're a part of an association, business gifts if you're gifting, business related magazines and books, coffee and beverage service for the office, commissions, consultant fees, office supplies, parking meters, postage. All these type of things can be included in your deductions. Keep this in mind when you're filing your taxes this year as a business owner. And if you have any specific questions, always feel free to reach out. And I'll see you next time.